Litasco, the international trading arm of Russia's second biggest oil producer Lukoil, stopped its oil swaps deals with Venezuela immediately after the U.S. imposed sanctions on Venezuela's oil industry and state oil firm PDVSA, Lukoil's chief executive Vagit Alekperov said at an investment forum in Russia. Russia, which stands by Nicolas Maduro in the ongoing Venezuelan political crisis, has vowed to defend its interests in Venezuela, including oil interests, within the international law using all mechanisms available to us because of Moscow's support for Maduro. The international community and market analysts are closely watching the relationship of Russian oil companies with Venezuela. Litasco does not work with Venezuela. Before the restrictions were imposed, Litasco had operations to deliver oil products and to sell oil. There were swap operations. Today there are none, since the sanctions were imposed, Lukoil's Alekperov said at the Russian Investment Forum in the Black Sea resort of Sochi. Another Russian oil producer, Gazpromneft, however, does not see major risks for its oil business in Venezuela, the company's chief executive officer Alexander Zhukov said at the same event. Gazpromneft has not supplied and does not supply oil products to Venezuela needed to dilute the thick heavy Venezuelan oil, Zhukov said, noting that the Latin American country hadn't approached Gazpromneft for possible supply of oil products for diluents. Under the new wide-ranging U.S. sanctions, Venezuela will not be able to import U.S. naphtha, which it has typically used to dilute its heavy crude grades. Analysts expect that a shortage of diluents could accelerate beginning this month the already steadily declining Venezuelan oil production and exports. Venezuela's crude oil production plunged by another 59,000 barrels of oil per day from December 2018 to stand at just 1.106 million barrels of oil per day in January 2019, OPEC's secondary sources figures showed in the cartel's closely watched monthly oil market report, MOMR, this week. By Svetlana Peruskova for oilprice.com or top reads from oilprice.com.